Friends, welcome to this video titled Are Reserves or Retained Earnings the Same as Cash in the Balance Sheet? Quite often people have this conception that reserves are the same as cash in the balance sheet. Let's just examine that. Balance sheet shows the financial position of a company, as we all know, equity and liabilities on one hand and assets on the other. Equity and liabilities are source of funds. Assets are the use of those funds in creating resources under the control of the firm. Equity and liabilities are one side of the coin and assets are the other side of the coin. Equity and liabilities get reflected in assets. Reserves and retained earnings form part of equity since they mean profits earned by the firm which are not yet distributed. These reserves and retained earnings help a firm in acquiring assets which include cash or bank balances too. However, it is not prudent to hold these reserves in cash forms since it will be a wasted opportunity to grow the business. Thus, reserves are all reflected in various assets of the business and not cash alone. In conclusion, for looking at reserves, look at the equity and liabilities portion of the balance sheet, not its assets. You won't be able to trace reserves to one single asset such as cash. Money is fungible. Once it is sourced, whatever may be the source, whether debt or equity, its exact tracing to any asset is just impossible. Finally, just like our lifelong savings at a personal level are not all in savings account of a bank, but invested in various assets, including the house in which we stay, for a corporate or a company, the retained earnings get reflected in various assets and thus they would not be equal to cash on the books. What I mean by cash is money in current accounts or short-term investments. So the retained earnings or reserves are invested in a lot of productive or business assets, some of which could be in the bank account, but that's not going to be the whole of it. For more such videos, do explore our channel, Dr. Abhijit Phadnis. Thank you.